Hi, now we're going to show you a Baker's cyst. So that's found on the posterior medial aspect of the knee, and our model here does have a small cyst. The first thing you need to do is just to place the probe about 5 centimeters up from the popliteal crease, and you will see this small round hypoechoic structure here. Now that is the tendon of semitendinosus, and this muscle underneath is all semimembranosus, and as we move distally you'll see it all comes together. You can see the tendon forming at the top right there, and as we come down this is the semimembranosus forming with the muscle belly going in. Now you can then see another structure that comes up, which is the femur, and you know it's the femur because it's got articular cartilage on it. So this is the semimembranosus, this is the posterior capsule, and this is the articular cartilage. We can see over here a pulsing vessel, which is the popliteal artery, and the medial gastroc. Now if we follow a little bit further down, we can see this anechoic region here, which is a very small Baker's cyst, and as we all know, it comes out in between the semimembranosus tendon, which is quite prone to anisotropy, so make sure you're tilting, and the medial gastroc tendon, which is here. So as we go down, we can see where this comes out of, and it will come out from the back of the knee joint. So it's just a small Baker's cyst there, and it's gone. This is the medial gastroc, which is again prone to anisotropy, and this is the semimembranosus, and we can see it coming out from between those two structures. If you've enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to our membership, and we'll get you lots more videos that will help your scanning.